Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter electric current. Today discuss about topics. Explain about electric power. Let's start the class. What is meant by electric power? The product of potential difference and current is called electric power. This is definition. For example, take a copper wire. Okay, here point A, here point B. Okay, suppose A point 10 charges there. A point 10 charges there. Now charges Q passes through a point A moves to point B. Some charges moves A to B with respect to time. Okay, it is called electric current. Okay, after potential difference, it is defined as the work done to move unit positive charge from one point to another point. It is called potential difference. Just mention V. Okay, after P is equal to work done by T. P is equal to work done by T. P means power. What is meant by power? The rate of doing a work. The rate of doing a work is called power. Rate means time. Since W is equal to V into Q. Okay, V means potential difference. Q means charge. Okay, work done is equal to V into Q. After P is equal to work done is equal to V into Q. Write V into Q by T. Okay, since Q is equal to I into T. Q is equal to I into T. Q means charge. I means current. T means time. Okay, after P is equal to V into Q means I into T. Right? I into T by T. Okay, after that T cancel. T cancel. Okay, P is equal to V into I. P is equal to V into I. V means potential difference. I means electric current. What is the definition of electric power? The product of potential difference and current is called electric power. This is example. Okay, next one. The SI unit of power is watt. The SI unit of power is watt. Okay, second point. It is given by the formula P is equal to V into I. V means potential difference. I means electric current. P means electric power. This is formula P is equal V into I. Okay. Deduce the expression for measure the electric power. This is question very important in 4 marks question. Take a copper wire. Here point A, here point B. Okay, consider that a charge q coulomb passes through a point A, moves to point B in the time interval t seconds as shown in figure. Let V be the potential difference. Let V be the potential difference between the points A and B. The work done by the electric field in time W is equal to Q into V. Work done is equal to Q into V. Q means charge, V means potential difference. Now work is equal to the energy loss. Work is equal to the energy loss by the charge for time in seconds. Work is equal to the energy loss by the charge for time in seconds. Okay, after W by T. Okay, charge per time W by T is equal to Q into V by T. Okay, W by T is equal to Q into V by T. Okay, since P is equal to W by T. P is equal to W by T. P means power. W means work. T means time. Okay, since I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T. Okay, I means electric current. Q means charge. T means time. Okay, W by T, what? P, right? P is equal to, right? V. Okay, Q by T, what? Q by T, I, right? I. Y. P is equal to V into I. P means electric power. What is meant by electric power? The product of potential difference and electric current is called electric power. Okay, P is equal to V into I. After, according to the Ohm's law. According to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Okay, right. P is equal to V means what? I into R, right? I into R into I. Okay, V means I into R. I am right. I into R into I. Okay, P is equal to I into I square. I into I square into R. Okay, P is equal to I square into R. Okay, this is derivation completed. Question: what is a value of 1 kilowatt hour in joules? This is question. Answer: 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatts 1000 watts into 1 hour 1 hour 1 hour. Okay, next after that 1000 watts means 1000 joule by seconds. Since watt is equal to joule by seconds, W is equal to joule by seconds. 1000 joules by seconds into 1 hour, 60 minutes into 60 seconds. 60 minutes into 60 seconds. Okay, after 1000 joules by second into 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. Okay, now 1000 into 3600 is equal to 36 lakhs. 36 lakhs joules or 36 into 10 power of 5 joules. Okay, what is a value of 1 kilowatt hour in joules? 36 into 10 power of 5. Okay, this is the answer. Thank you, students.